It is your feel-good breakfast show indeed. Ladies, this one is for you because so often we wake up and we think, what to wear today? Always reaching for that same outfit over and over again. I know you guys feel me. Well, it's time to shake things up, ladies. The sandal of the season is here. It is sleek, it is strappy, modern, and it goes with everything you already own. Our fashion and beauty editor, Knox Mafu, is here to give us the latest update on the world of fashion. Ms. Knox, always lovely to have you with us.
It's so good to be here.
We are changing things up a bit for the summer season. Sandals are in. What inspired this trend?
Well, I think obviously you want something that's super simple and practical, and I think the sandal really is a cool and easy breezy way to complete any outfit. So with any summer dress, a pants, it really can slip into any trend. And what I love about this season is that we've got a range of styles, really from like the ugly sandal, which is really your far more utilitarian kind of style shoe, to a more like fun and like fashion focused from your gladiator. There is so much range from the kids to mom to dad. Sandals are truly just the lifesaver that we need in summer.
Again, perfect for summer season because we're going to be going to the beach, we're going to go for mocktails, all of that.
All of it.
What trends can we expect? What are some of the styles we must definitely keep an eye out for?
Absolutely. So I think I'll focus a little bit on the women's sandals because I think there are so many things to choose from. But definitely the Espadrille Mule is the one that's going at the moment. The comfort is unmatched and truly just like great with the trend, so you can get your snakeskin or whatever. You've got obviously your far more orthopedic, similar looking shoe, which is really great, and this really speaks to what they call in high fashion the ugly sandal, which is absolute nonsense because it is just so comfortable and trendy and simple. And then of course we've got the classic naked sandal, which is really just a strappy little number that you can put on your shoe, but definitely such a lovely range from the double buckle, the single toe that we saw Guhle when all the guests chose that beautiful blue shoe for her to wear. So really just a range of great styles where you can really just slip it in and really zhuzh up any outfit that you have.
You know, I always like to put you on the spot. What are some of your favorites at Woolies?
My favorite at Woolies, I actually need to get up for this one, right? So, like we mentioned, we've got really this amazing kind of style, which is super, super comfortable. I like the, you know, the platform on it. It really gives you a really good solid base, and obviously the back strap here looking really great. And of course the Espadrille mules that we're seeing here, we've got them in a platform and also your far more simpler kind of design. You've got your single toe, which comes in that white. We saw Guhle modeling that beautifully earlier in the week. But I mean, there's such a range, and obviously your classic, you know, slip-on shoes.
Love.
We like to call them opata, which is really just a simple shoe to just slip on and kind of wear, you know, when you're at the beach, you want to have a quick shower, get that sand off your body. These are really great. So honestly, from a range of these styles, you can see from different episodes in your day, you really will be able to be dressed to the nines, and comfort is the most important thing in this.
Always comfort, always. And we've been speaking about a lot of the trends that's going through. Obviously, the clothes we have there now, I'm so glad to see, you know, the sandals be a part of that. How would you then style this?
Well, I think this is like one of the easiest things to style. I really think it depends on where you're going and what the vibe is. So for instance, if you're starting to go maybe for, you know, a late lunch, and you definitely need something where you're going to walk around, let's say your Kirstenbosch or any botanical garden, these are kind of really practical ways that you can wear with a dress. You could even wear it with a sock if it's starting to get a bit cold. So really an edgy way that you can add. I know you had ideas of that, Jamie. So really there are great ways, but I think the best way to know these things is to see it.
To see it. And of course we have a beautiful model to show us exactly how to style it.
A runway girl.
A whole runway girl.
So we've got Guhle here in our Espadrille mules with the slip-ons here. I love the snake. I love the snake skin strap that she's got going on here. It's really trendy, and her toes are just popping with the color there. And what we've decided to do is just pair it with some linen pants, really pick up the colors that are available in the brown and the snake skin, and that pop of color at the top, just for an easy, breezy Saturday outfit. But truly, the first thing that came out of Guhle's mouth when she wore these was...
These are so comfortable.
There we go.
I'm actually taking them home with me. Thanks, Knox.
Oh,
Bye.
wow.
Bye. And I love that we're playing with that snake animal print as well.
Exactly.
And of course, we have a variety for the ladies, but we also have some for the little ones.
For the little ones, we can't leave them hanging. I think what Woolworths has really done for the babies is so important because, of course, with our little ones, grip is the most important. So, of course, you can have beautiful styles for them, but the most important thing is to make sure that they have the support. So I'm going to quickly just stand up here to show you. I mean, like, these shoes have the most amazing grip for your kids who are running around. The strap and that extra buckle and that kind of tautness that it has here allows for the kid not to really lose sight of it. And then, of course, you know, your Birkenstock style shoe here, always available for the kids. I love the fashion that is simple. It can really kind of grow with your child. It can mold to the child's foot quite easily. So there's not, you know, that pain when you put on a new shoe. You can avoid these with these styles. And I think Woolworths taken a particular focus on making sure that our children are comfortable, that there's a good padding for the child. And I think the styles are on trend, simple, and of course, just to cheer you up.
And what I was going to say, also for the parents as well, it's easy for us to just unstrap that. So that's perfect for me. That is definitely going to go home with me today.
Yes, that's a lovely, yeah, it's a lovely addition. There's got that.
That's it.
That's
Easy.
it.
1, 2, 3.
When they're playing around, Mom, I don't want it. You're just like, hey, take it off. No, but
Knocks.
absolutely fine.
Love you. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you so
work.
much.
Of course, introducing us to the hot trends for this season. The sandal of the season is sleek, it is strappy, it is modern, and it goes with everything you already own. So shop your favorite pair at Woolworths, in store, online, or on the Woolworths app from only 199 Rand. What are you waiting for? Go get comfortable in those new sandals.
There will be brighter days as we learn along the way to love and appreciate